Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am doing this video to let you know about the IB ACIO 2 notification that has come. So the purpose of this video is to inform you about the crash course that me and the team behind me is trying to take. So there will be a Google Sheet associated with it. So those who are interested in the crash course can actually give their details there, and you will receive a call. And accordingly, if you are interested, you can join the crash course, which will involve meticulously prepared study materials. Also, there will be individualized attention as well as a test series. So, before that, first of all, let me tell you a few things about this exam actually. And the purpose of video is mostly to highlight the career growth if you clear this exam and the advantages of being in this IBACIO post. So if you have seen my previous videos, I have said about this particular post, and this is the exam that I have cleared back in 2013, and I was supposed to join at 2014. I did not join at that time because it collided with my UPSC mains actually. So because my joining was somewhere in 2014 September or October, and the mains was in 2014 December. Subsequently, my career had took a different turn. I went into teaching and went into lectureship and all those things. So basically, if you look into this exam at present, the internal security scenario of India has changed drastically. So overall, I would say this job provides you a better career opportunity also, and also when it comes to the risk elements, it has become less risky as well. And compared to what it was 10 years ago, the promotion opportunities and the exams have also been streamlined. So I will just give you a bird's eye view about the career progression. Okay, so you will start with something called ACIO 2, Assistant Central Intelligence Officer Grade 2. So if you look into the age limit, it is for general category, it is from 18 to 27 years. So basically they want a younger lot of people. Okay, so it's partly a desk job, partly a field job to begin with. So just say after 3 to 4 years, you have a career progression to ACIO 1, Assistant Central Intelligence Officer Grade 1. So something like a DYSP rank, in if you can consider it in the case of a police. But this is not a uniform job as per se. Then again, as you progress, you will move into the DCIO, Deputy Central Intelligence Officer. So just imagine 3 to 4 years if you are really good, and also if you clear the departmental level examinations. Otherwise, this can actually delay a bit more. So from the DCIO level, the next career progression is something called AD, like Assistant Director, right? So this is where the entry of a IPS level officer will come. So just imagine IPS level officer can start their journey here, and this is where you both will kind of meet actually. But don't worry, it's not the end of the story. You have options to move further. Okay, then there is a assistant deputy director ADD. Okay, and also if you move further, you by the end of your career, just say by you are reaching around 60 years of age, you can retire at almost joint deputy director of intelligence bureau. So that's a clearly a good post, because only you can say maybe 3 to 4 people will be there in a state. So you understand that this is a very decent post. So even you say that even when you are reaching at the last levels of your career, there will be even IPS officers who are starting newly, just 2 posts before beyond you, I mean beneath you. So this is where at some point of time in your career, if you're really good, you are actually crossing an IPS level officer also. So this is basically what I wanted to tell you about the career progression. And also when it comes to the salary and perks, other than the salary, if you are just posted in some remote areas, you have special allowances for that, special rations for that, especially in areas where you cannot take your family. That is where along with the salary you will get special rations and also risky area allowances as well. That is one thing. And when it comes to the training period is for 6 months, which will involve obviously there will be PT sessions. Also there will be classes by IPS officers, which will involve quite similar to whatever you things that you learn as part of UPSC. You will be Then you will get to know about the organizational structure, and also you will have courses on mountaineering also. So these are the things. See, I believe me, I myself have not attended the training. These are the things I know from my friends and my students who have cracked this exam. So I cannot actually showcase anyone's name as per se, because that is something that I can't do. I can't jeopardize their career as such. So basically, this is an exam where I have cleared. So I can give you a good idea about how to crack this examination, especially when it comes to the writing skills, as per se. If you have seen that, I have actually put quite a few videos on that essay and certain things like that, because basically you need to have a good drafting skill, because in some way you are actually acting as a liaison between the ground level junior intelligence officers and to a higher level desk job officer, where you are actually giving the ground level scenario, and in some way that is helping the government to form get a good intelligence know-how of the ground level scenario or ground level situation. So that is basically about this job. And as I've told you about, in a way, the benefits and the career growth you have, this comes under Ministry of Home Affairs. And also along with this, you have to remember that there is also option for foreign assignment as well, because many a times the embassies are also associated with intelligence organizations. So you do get foreign assignment opportunities, not only just in and around India, but even to outside European nations and other nations also, and you will get be provided special allowances for that. So this is a job where you have the ability to showcase, use your wide range of skills, your soft skills, the way you have to behave, and also at the same time you have to keep a low profile, because you cannot be someone who can boast these things in social media. That is somewhere you have to actually be careful about. Other than that, these are the advantages, and you will actually come across a lot of people, and you will have a lot of friends by the time you end your career, which can be used in many ways. I mean, I'm not talking about any corruption as such, but good relations will always come in handy in one way or another. Okay, so this is basically about the IBACIO and the career growth. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also please do remember about the Google Sheet that I am putting. And also the purpose of this video is to uh, provide you an information about the crash course, or crash course that is supposed to be planned online. So please do give your replies and favorable comments, and also give your feedbacks as comments as well. Thank you. I will come back with another video. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.